Finally got the new steering wheel put on, and we're going to be changing these black face gauges to red face gauges. First, by starting out by taking out these two Torx right up here at the top. These two bolts there, our Torx actually are in here, are T10s. I'm going to take them off with like a little right angle right here. It's the easiest way to get them out. You got one here, and you got one here. Now that I have these loose, I'm just going to go ahead and pull the whole cluster out and just unplug it. This right here is the only plug that's on the back of the whole entire cluster. Just unplug that and you can pull the whole cluster out. We're going to take these 4 T10 Torx from the top and the bottom, and then what we're going to do is separate this piece from the back side. So we'll snap these pieces open and then cut these parts. If they have any of the label warnings on them, we'll have to cut those open. Just these 4 right now are going to come out. Okay, we've taken the Torx out and we're going to separate this piece. So basically all we will have is just the clusters themselves so that we can put the overlays on, and this piece is totally separated. I want to make sure the surface area is really clean, so you got to clean off the gauges before you go to install them. These are the pieces that come with the kit. It comes with the install kit, which is the water and soap mixed together to put on before. It comes with the squeegee, and it comes with both of the gauges, the overlays for the gauges. Okay, it says we're going to take this. It says to spray the face of the gauge with it to get it wet. And then it says to take this overlay. And basically do the same with it. And then you're going to try to put it underneath the needles. Make sure you get every single piece underneath here, and then we're going to take the heat gun and we're going to heat this all up to try to smooth it all out. Here's the pieces all done. Make sure that you take the squeegee and get underneath the needle. You want to make sure you get it all pressed underneath the needle. I would definitely recommend putting a lot of this, cover this like at least twice on the gauge and twice on the overlay. Make it as wet as possible or you will get bubbles, because I'm noticing a couple little bubbles popping up. I'm guessing from air or from dirt or things like that. So they do look pretty good so far. We'll see how they look in the car. Here's what they look like put together. They look really, really nice. Hope they look as good when they're illuminated. We'll put them in the car. Here's them installed, lighting up. Don't look too bad. Try to shut my door so you can see a little darker. That's what they look like lit up. And then I'll shut them off. Turn the headlights off. And that's what they look like when they're not illuminated. Sorry about the crappy lighting in here. Look pretty good so far.